ama sapen hin tabang dam na le phat hoi phat phai pikit wa pa pathen cho velin thangwa na le lopina ipi ma sapen win a hi muntina nu le pa so pi ula naw loi le pai ho zo se impact tv Kuki channel Chipinthei Talkshow angai lo a hin ve ho zo se na bon chawin ni ha pha chule anchor ke ma NENGNGAIKIM KHONGSAI lem na ka hin nei na hi lem na ka hin nei na bana tukum 2023 adinga ikimu to na ama sapen a hi zi in ke ma in zo a hin ve ho zo se na bon chawin kumtha chibai ka hin bolin a hi tu khangin iwang phawin azi chu e ho Kuki society sunga ai tia an khalo thim jil na lampang hi hen lang chapang lekha sim ho chiting le competitive exams a lunglu da nei ho pachan na nei nom ho ading lampi hoi ta hung ki hong pan ta in azi chu e ho e mi sunga dingin hitia coaching institute coaching center hong hi hung tam deu ta in pathenin phasa damna ipi wa hila ban bana ki holim na chu in nei deu hi in hi jong le tu ni ama sape na dingin new LAMBULANE IMPHAL muna concept coaching center manager pu Haotinlen Baite chiting le aloi pa coordinator of concept coaching center pu Akhup Kom to tu ni hi ki holim na in nei khom deu hi ama sapenin iki holim masang win pu nang ni chunga ke pa thu ka hin sein na aji chu na pui hon mama de hi in I personally hope and believe that your schedule will be so much tight, but in spite of that, you spare your valuable time and you are coming here to, discuss something good about our society. So on behalf of the core committee, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to both of you and thank you so much for coming. Ipihile ke holimna ipat theina di win ama sapen nang ma nang ni in self introduction to say honin nang mi pi ho zo se het theding in chiting like ke holimna chu ban bana ipat di wa hi
cái hi le Haotinlen Baite cái hi en tu toy concept coaching center manager cái hi en chale cái hi tui chin wang kho cycle kangpo pi district sunga kon cái hi en so pi pasal khat kan in ka upa omen ama he zile cha nei te in education lampang a hi public administration master in public administration hi ka zawin tu tua hi concept coaching center mo pu na manager he katu he
ke pau me
impact tv wajo se chibai my name is KASHMIRA Kom and I am known by Akhup sir in my coaching. I completed my Master of Science in Anthropology from Manipur University, and after that I work as an CRPF also, and after that I do my civil service. I have an experience of more than 15 years in this civil service line, and I have teach more than 5 years in this line. So I just want to say that myself at present, I'm working as a coordinator in concept coaching. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Mi pi ho in het them deu chu pu Akhup hin hinge question ki dong chu e power ki dong het them nai hi wangin ama akona hoita alungial ho adei banga asei do theina dinga chu English paw sa paw hin manding a hin a hemo da yum pu win hi jong le lunglu ta ina vet khom di win tem na ka hin nei kin in hi ki paw min tuin a ban hin chal pai nga lutin ele concept coaching center hi iti kuma establish an hi hamna chuting le what is the main reason behind opening this coaching institute ji yong ju mi pin a he nom de hin na ti ji chun chong thin sei tha pai pe hanin na
cái nên sei nya concept hi abula hi sal thang len kiti khat ama hen na pu to hen new LAMBULANE ai gan the ta home tuition ta banga classroom neu cha hung ki pan hi na ma hen ana put in 2019 koma it's all in hung thei na hi le coaching institute khat hi ji chen a feel hi atam hin na ji a chu pui pi ding atam hi ta kong ke ho mo ben ka hin tong kho mo ben hi le pathen lung se chun tu hin pi thing khat hung ke soin ke tong kho mi in ong ke pu to na kum ta hi 2019 kum September hi ai le he che hin ke a ki gyal kho pe hi pi ham ti le chapang ho sim lai zil lai ho hi ai zong na ki hi in Delhi Mumbai a ke chi in bhara na ai lo le ne le cha coaching la na sum tam pi ki siang cho a hin la atha si khat dinga cho class aga jaw jong phachom ji lo cho a ji chu environment ki bang lo sap te kolte in English a thojing jong ki he thim lo cho itun te ra he na a ji cha ki hi dan ni ai ti ja he thi ha san tam ta mi sum la pai lam he ta mi to ki pol dan ki man cha dan thil zo se hi ipi ti le ji expenditure by minimize ball na sumi lom cha heading le kha zil ding he hin la het na pa hi sang ta kol le vai ho ti le kol gam sap gam ti ho ve ai ho ga se ding as Delhi Mumbai elo Shillong la Guwahati la hi ha chu hi cho ta banga amoi a pi do pau hi cho ta bang ma hi ai hon quality ki bang pi do thai ding ti pai target na hi in he je a chu he chi concept coaching center hi gan thei ta he jong la bula pa na hi hung ki kal sung sung nga hi chi target nei bu ma hi tu chana hung ki hlei hlei hi
hi nge ki pa mo mong chi che hi in thil khat hi mi hem khat hin bowling e ti ala chun ki gen thei ma sai hin na nang jong chi gen thei an thu nom da in lang nup sa na iti ham nang le nanga ki man cha na di kham yong chu na nei mo lo din hi jong le hi chi a society ha chapang ho them jil ho ngai lu na za la nang ma in jong le hin sei na ba na gen thei na hin tho hin pathin in pathin thu de ki to in jong min a sei ji in gen thei ma sa in chiting le khunung le nup na sa de ti din chi chu nang changa yong ho iten example hoi tai na da in na ti jing ki pa thu ka hin sei in chiting le nang ho coaching center a hi course ho hi EPP offer na bolo ham chiting le chi chu cái màn hệ giống là mi khăn hệ giống mi đâu sẽ hiện lâu thì hình gì chứ chỉ platform mang cho advertise ang naga ball by thế
course offer ke bori aba sa pe na he Maths Foundation course bo na chi in abula pa in say na Maths Foundation course bo na chi in tu hin pathen lung set nin general foundation course khat hi aki kom hi che hi banking to SSC ho any student foundation ang lu zo se abula ang ke pan di ho dinga pa chom di ipis aziki bol ham tile foundation khat hung zau ding ki ti hin banking lang izong le SSC lam izong state exam so central exam so ke pizo si aware hi ngai jo SSC si sa ke bol le banking ho buita zita bang so syllabus ki ki na men na cho ha sai daw he na ji jo sawa saw de ji a ki ki na li ne ji ai ji foundation course by banking lang to exam ki gong ding zo sen them kha foundation ti de ji na ji a ki kom in syllabus jang hoi ta in compare ki bolin ready hin student ho a ki pizing le khadang bat lo jang foundation course dinga chu a link se na ki koi na coaching center ni ji expert ho teacher ho in hoi ta a hin bat ko lo wa phat sot ta lu na hin se mo hin ai le chi chung chu na chu foundation course ong ki chai ting le chi chu an zo ting wala exam related ke le to a CCL bang hong pot tai CSSL bang hong pot tai am ho ading mo special class hong ki working banking ho ading as banking a special class hong ki koi ni chi chu am wan chi chu an pi cha la main sa na ding a chu ating sel ding na a chi chu foundation na thagup sunga chu zo mu na di cha ha sa chu ni chi a chu a course hong chi dan chu foundation o min abana ama exam dung jong ki hom khan banking to SSC hi in aban ting le exam kon chat lakat le ke ho lan ni ho ba ting le hin notification ong pot ting le crash course ki bol ki na e che pa ha tam zo free a ki bol hi a ji chu a student ho outside pa na hong nom ho jong chu ki welcome ma free ti dan chu registration zanga nga ham cha bu ki bola lan ni ke ha poi lakat li ke ha poi exam chan chan ke bui bi crash course pa hi ai le tu nai cha hin atha kha introduce kan bol ki no ven e che hi MPSC to ha ma ba state service he che pa hi tu ai class hi khat la ni a chi ta he che jong hi tu nai cha hi introduce ong ki pon ki ho dinga course tha li he chi ai le he chi class tai lo wa jong hi ipum ki nam tele mock test series kan hi om ki ni he che test series pa class zau nom lo zau thei lo zau man ta lo ai lo le mundanga lekha kum so ta na sima civil service ung ki pung ho chu test series azau no ma hele ta concept coaching center a he hoi ta expert in mundang dang coaching center dang ho level exam ta level hoi ta ki sema he che pa test series ong ya zau jing thei office contact jing thei he ti aban le cha ka be nom chu concept mi chlai se he poina mot bung am branch khat ome course kan sei jo se bon che kya o min hin la MPSC pa mot bung am po dang se ki bang so ke
ki pa min chi mi pi ho zo sin yong a henom ho in jong a he ta ding ta sa na min chi ting le lunglu da nei ho jong ki phalam lo helin approach bolity ti chu ke ma in jong ka hin se hi in tu in abana ka hin do nom chi he le establish na hin bol wa pe na tu ni chana hi students so hi zat in enroll a bolam ti chu average hi jong le nei ka se bi thei di ho
tu chana hi IMPHAL hi a thang pi khana hi a ki ve na hi le 300 plus wa ngai tai na tu chana enroll hi chale mot bonga hi foundation course or SSC banking ho se hi alang 150 plus in mod bung center ahi IMPHAL center 300 plus mod bunga 150 plus chole mod bunga class 9 10 umin chong kin chai mi som li ta bang umin ese night cha chu establish ki bon lai na kum December 13 na chu ai le abana next target pa hi ga sei beleng 11 12 so hum de na lai mod bunga he na IMPHAL awang sum ponte mod bung 11 12 science maths aban le mod bunga hi 40 ne win SSC banking ahi 150 plus ne win IMPHAL 300 plus ne win to chan he na
nge pu ki pa umma ma jingin hite banga hi chapang ho tu lai chu mi tam pi bol nom jong le alam pi om lawa le chun ki bol thei lo hi na nang mai jong hai ta pan na hin la sara ko jong na hung ki tho ko ma nai ti ai hoi ta society sunga dinga mi he thei mun khat se hi ta lo mun ni chang du Sadar Hills khat a hi la khat IMPHAL mun ai le cho hoi ma jingin ke ma te jong ka hin pa cha in chuting le chapang lung lut na nei ho jong alung mon diu ka ta asanin na ti tu ka hin se nga la hi ala hin yenge school khat hi hen nang chuting le ta coaching center khat hi pha la hin oza student a umji in na elen student to oza ho chu relationship cho hoi lawa hi ala chun ipi ki bo jong le mental strength pa hi a hat lawa le chun ki lo thing thei lo hi na ta salam ki ha jong le mentality pa hi a hat lo le chun ide ma lo thin la ki mu zo lo hi in ja dinga hin good environment good relationship between students and teachers se apoi mo ma jing ele nang ho hin student ho to ozo ho jil kung ho hi akilung to theina di wa hi na ipiti panala hom ji wa hi lo le environment chi dan hin eu khat koi hi jong le nang ni khat pen pen in hin se thei di
regarding this students environment, how to make them close to us.
Yes.
So we are providing different types of even like we are conducting discussions. The main is discussions, and in class we are doing one-to-one interaction. We are providing the topics beforehand. Especially my course is on GS and this MCS. So I used to provide the topics 1 week before, and especially for the test also, so that they can prepare themselves. It is not just coming and listening the teacher and leaving the class. Our target is that even myself, I used to think that the students should know the things. They should know the concept, what is behind the idea of the topic. So when they get the topic, they can have a talk to us. They can ask question to the faculty, and they can solve their problem. That is the main thing. I think we are lacking in that. I have seen in our time also. And more than that, we are having discussion. For example, if we conduct tests, we are having tests also. Every week we are conducting tests. Not only one major test we conduct and one sectional test. And after Sunday we used to conduct 3 hours discussion like that. In that students can come and solve all their queries. So after that, I don't think they will face any kind of problems or maybe confusion in their mind. Instead of posting in WhatsApp and all like that, I used to say that be very open. We are like your friends only. Speak to us, solve your problem, and it is the right time for you. Because after that, if the course increase, the topics increase, it's very hard to go back and explain all the things. And there are some cases also, like we are doing counseling also. Sometimes students want personal talk. Sir, I have this problem in this subject, how to solve this issue. So we give some guidelines, because this exam needs, if I say guidelines, is very, very important. Even though you may have the materials, you may have the infrastructure, without guidelines, this exam will make you to take time, if I say. Because we need every steps, like for prelims, mains. In every exam now we have prelims, mains. I'm talking especially about MCS exam, since is going to conduct tentatively on the month of April. So we are less than 90 days. So from this Impact TV, I just want to how to say, a kind of awareness type or request type, especially to our community, to approach us, because we have that experience. If you want to take that one, come and join the test. If you can't afford even we are giving discount also. We are giving how to say that, the amount which they can afford. If not, then they can join the course, they can pay later also, no issue, if they have some genuine problem. Why? Because we are working for our society. This is for the student centric, if I say. It is not about the profit that we want to earn. It is for the awareness, plus our society will know that what we are doing. Because the process we have started from last year with our director Thanglen sir. At that time the response was not good. Yeah, we didn't give up. I know that our people, they need some awareness. So we are spreading the flyer in Churachandpur. We talk to our KSO, our Kuki student organization also. So from their support, or let's say cooperation, we come to this point. I think on Monday, 16th of January, we have started our class. So we have around more than 10 students, and in test series we are more than 20 students. Even I was not expecting that one, but now I feel good, and I believe that in the coming days, through this Impact TV, I believe more students will approach, and the main target here is that let them know the things, let them grasp the things, not just rote learning, because this exam is all about application now. You should have that idea, the concept, how to proceed this exam. We are not just teaching the subject. Let me be clear to the viewers if I say. We are making the students about that how to face this test, how to face this prelims exam, how to, in exam hall, what is the environment, how to tackle that pressure, no? And plus mains. And not only that, we are giving the guidance of interview. Even in the class itself, I interlink everything. I am just not going in the single direction, but we are doing the multiple direction, so that their brain can grasp the things. And the more thing is that brainstorming, we say, because if brainstorming is there, I believe that this exam is not going to be a tough task for them. I think more things are there. I can explain more things, but I think Len sir can take if you have anything to say.
Sapang ho to relationship tan hi sir comment ta MPSC ho hin GS class ho sing chain English reasoning ho ipiti ke sapang ho to ipiti ki he to am tia hele class a jong ka sei je ken ka ha sei pe ni kyang class reasoning class ka line na kala class a ka sei pe ni pm til lekha sim tha si ho wang ka pui pi nom poi ka ti chu hin la lekha sim na pot tho wa thim hi jong na pot tho le free hi jong le course a pa na banana jaw the hi jong hi lo le pa so ta hi jong extra time pi vai pui pi the ka ti chu ata se wang ka pui pi nom poi ka ti hin la a thim lo thip lo jin ta se bin ka ti na a ji pi ka sei no hom ti le chalai amo hin a het lo pau hi pha sa hin do jing te sa hin dong jing ve tu chang nan jong abang le jan ba ro lang ve la ko lo hong WhatsApp message ve le share chalai chu pi ham ka he thei ta pu ka sei jing the le ka sei me sei jing the hi lo la ka vian jing le class a so fu ti hi tai cha pong ta anytime na a pha ni tip imu chan ti de jing ai ki tim thei lo hi amo problem o chu solve thei chanai tai kai se ka hi pun o zo ro sen che ki welcome jing chu hin la e bui phat la chen hi nge bui pat pat lom lom ma chu ka ki answer pai thei lo hin la ai chu a ki ho tu nai i wan phat la vet thei ki ve in class I explain thei ti sang a cho hoi zo a vet thei o mai jong le a ki ve hi sung chu na chu class a ki bol to lo man exam an pi over question and face om ji ve i cho to bang class a ki mu khai ti khat le ni ji cho patan tha tha an tha ji ting le choi class a ki pu do khomin study ki bol khom ki ai ta technique tha tha ti le question tha tha ho lo ki pha zo sai ta update ki chi jing hi student ho ta hin pha zo sai hi atam zo mi zo se wang ka ti thei poi na atam zo angai lo zo se ti na he angai lo zo se te ni tai WhatsApp ke poi call ke poi class ke chai ke poi tai pha sai ki ke to jing problem ho ki solve sing ji
hi ki pau ma jing a hoi momongin hinge chapang student khat hi ala chun doi le tup na em objective chu ne ngai hi in chuting le transparent ta hin ngai hi in lungkup ham ai lo le lungtho ne ya chi hin le chun hinge ki hing thei nan te ni khat ni chu hi wanga hin khwa chu chi pi zo lo hi in straight forward hi ngai hi in lunga thil khat uma doubt ne ya yong le chun pi ham I changa hi ti I stress sanga chu kui approach bol thei ham na oza ko ma ise ngam lo le I loi ngai ko ma sei thei ham a hi wanga chu thil hi ki a hi in I loi ko ma share thei I oza ko ma share thei hin chi chapang ho in pi ham a ki he khen ji po in na ti het khan zong hi angai ma in chuting le sar khu min in se yong cho hoya hoi hi in thil khat chu a hoi na dinga chu beforehand ama sei banga chu 1 week before na cha chu hoi ta prepare aga bola hi le chun notes hoi pi ham ho cha ho malin chapang ho chun aga vet through aga bola le chun pi ham go through aga bola le chun pi ham dau an ya chu approach a ball man na chance ane hin pha ane hin chuting le a het kha jong cha het be no ma he aga do ki no clarify hoi ta mu ta chu chong chu hin hoi ma jingin chu ting le chu chu iga seina banwa oza hi izat na kwayu hamna mod bunga izat umham chu ting le imphal hi izat umham
IMPHAL hi foundation to MPSC agoma sei ding hin na IMPHAL hi mi som to velo mi som la khan ho velo hi in na guest lecturer of my sim tha di legend mi 13 14 ke nei mod bunga hi mi gup ta bangom mi oza
ai le pu ka hindo pai nom chu hi ale oza ho hi na vet duting le hin kuima chu hinge tu lai chu ani opena ga asai dinga chu private oza yong chu min private them ati wanga chu athu pi hin na ai ho society singa private school chu chapang hung khan le na hin chu ho azinga bon min oza chu adei dei lo sa hoi ta interview ham hi lo le a hi thel written test ge ya min select a bol hi ta in ai le nang ho hin oza ho iti select na bol ji
MPSI sal khup min sei tin na kho sa MPSI ken SSC banking ho in sei ni tong kala da na hi oza hi abula hi English maths reasoning hi cho bo an na lai cho masa GS ne ke koi lo pe jinam tela syllabus ne alui pan hi na lai ja to ai atha hi ja ong pai mo pha men sa hong zau pha na hi tier 2 hong zau pha na hong ki hap thu na he chi ma sanga thum bo hi ja oza thum ko mo fin hi che kyon kan na pui piu cho a ji chu thing ta sei dinga chu ai zong experience to iking up cha ja chu thi loi in to ho zo se to hin oza hon itei lo ta na hil ho ai lo la bi ki hil dan dei lo pon che kai hoi lo si si hoi ki pe ya e dei e ma experience a ko na cho hoi na thai chana hong ki mo ba hong ka hilo he ke ho hin la hong ki khang to to pa then long se na chu oza hong tam ngai ta English teacher hong chu ni ta hong ngai ta me song thum le li hong ngai ta ai reasoning hong chu mi ni be hong ngai ta chu la be hong ngai ta chu so I pick up advertisement notice ka pe na ve hin la hong ngai trial hoi ta ka bo lo he na ke hon jong ka ke ho piu vin che chung chu na chu class ong hi ala ai chai chapang ho in am hon ipi ke lo vam adei na ovam ai lo da chapang hon ami hil cho het thei na ovam a o ging nam o so ya ki ngai he e chin he ivat thei chan chu staff na pa ki ve chu na hin la chapang ho view jong chi het ngai cho ti cho ei to ki hil di lo cho chapang ho to ni class da khom di ja chu chapang ho class ni le thom hoi ta la hi ki to nga ipi te nam ta khat nai ki to nga abo na wang chu okay ki ti thei lo he hin la 90% okay ti chu aphai ke lo jeng na hitia chu ki ko hitia chu oza recruit ki por si
ni hoi mama ki pa men sal ko na hin se ole
regarding let me talk about MPSC some background about this MPSC as we know that this year the syllabus has been changed that is the first very important knowledge that students should know and based on UPSC pattern so there is a boon on ban if I say why because optional is not there earlier there was an optional that anyone can take any subject based on their interest and all so this time there is no optional so only GS paper that is GS 1 2 3 and 4 and essay and English compulsory so it's a good opportunity for all the students who are beginners if I say because the competition is going to be level earlier what happened is that the senior those who have an experience in this exam they used to take the chance by just appearing in the optional and scoring more so those who are beginners also they can apply this year it's open for all if I say and regarding the syllabus let me be very brief about that this syllabus we are having this 1000 mark for GS and interview we are having 150 marks and 250 for essay so 1400 total so this is the mains mark in prelims it's a qualifying so in this case we have two paper like GS1 which is of 200 marks and CSET which is of 200 marks and CSET is qualifying again so we are providing all kinds of facility whether prelims whether mains as well as interview because the experience that we have we just want to explore with them because the experience if I talk about me I have more than 15 years of experience that we have done in outside in Delhi also in Delhi also I teach for more than 5 years to our people and different community also so what I was thinking is that why not here in Manipur why not to our people especially in Churachandpur also even in Modbung we have conducted some seminar there are many youngsters who are eager to how to say that face this exam but the thing is that they are not aware so that's the big problem I have faced in there also they are very willing to ask so I said that be free be open so regarding the regarding this how we are proceeding let me say something about that we are conducting test series, very important part for this exam, because this exam is based on practice. If you know the whole book also, you can't say the guarantee that you will clear this exam, because practice will make you confidence. And the question which the framing of the question, I'm the one who took the full in charge of that. I'm going to frame the question, I'm going to check which question, the probable questions that we are going to frame. And in this test series also, we are going to conduct 30 test series, including the sectional tests. This is the, how to say that, the number is the highest, if I say, if we compare for all other coachings. And we are charging a negotiable, means like the charge which anyone can afford, if I say. So even if the test series is there, and again the way I say that, after class we are providing handout, not materials. Handout and materials is different. I just how to say that, I make my students, I make them to focus on handout, because we have less than 90 days. Material is just to solve your confusion. Sometimes we need more information. This is not all about information. It's all about that how much you can know, how much you know the things. If you can complete everything also, if you are not clear about the things, you are going to flunk in the examination. You will make mistakes. Why? Because you are not clear about the concept. So I myself, I'm framing that handout for them, the important and the probable topics which can come in the exam, based on our experience, that I can say. And after that, for mains also, we are having one session, so that not only prelims, let them know about mains, that how to face this mains, because mains, through mains only, they are going to get this in the merit list, not the prelims. Prelims is just like a ticket to enter in this series, fighting with all the candidates. And let me be clear about that, this year 100 seats are there. So as we know that after 6 years the post came, so it's very precious for us. Even most of my seminar I used to say, please take this opportunity. The form fill up is only 400 for ST. So 400, even you can move, even you are moving for restaurant, you are spending more than 1000. Why not to spend 400 rupees only? So at that moment also I force them, I request them, because take this opportunity. It may come next year, may not come, no one knows. If you are lucky enough, you will get through. This exam is, it's an overall, if I say, it is luck also, it is your hard work also, everything is counted here. Knowledge also, your concept also. So when we talk about our faculty, at present we have around 7 faculties, and based on their selection and all, I am the one who used to check their further details and all. We are not just checking only the qualification. For me, qualification is not important. First is his experience. How many years he have given for this examination. And I used to check their subject wise also. If suppose he is teaching polity, if suppose he is teaching history, so all subjects I am going to check whether how much he is known about the subject. Based on that subject, we used to take one small session also, one small class, and like a kind of whether he is credible about that subject or not. So I believe that our faculty at present, they have the experience. They can provide a kind of facility which others coaching may not have, like that I was thinking. So I request all the viewers also, especially the parents, because this is the right time. We are here for you. We are not like advertising our coaching and all like that. We are here for people. Come and see and join. If you can't afford the means, the way I say earlier also, if you can't join the course, join the test series. Even in test series, we are providing the facility. I am providing the notes in the test series also, some handouts, so that they can do some revision at the quick moment. So why to leave such an opportunity? The concept coaching is providing. We are here for you. So why not come and just taste once that how this exam is going to bring a kind of change in your life. It will bring a change in your life plus in the society also. The post that is going to provide by this Manipur government, as we all know about the SDC, SDM, you are going to become like that. MPS you are going to become. You are going to control one district. You are going to control one subdivision. So even I used to think like that why not? Why are young aspirants, why our young students are confused about this exam? Even in seminar also they used to get confused sometimes. So if you are confused, come, we are in the office also. You can call us anytime. the way Lancer says, we are open. We are free to give you the information. So based on this, it's my humble request, if I say, especially to the parents and aspirants also, come, because we are in New LAMBULANE only. It's just if you come and if you join the course, if you just join the one class like practice type, you can know the facility plus the importance of the class, the importance of the test series. And I think regarding the faculty, I have said the way how we used to select that one. Yeah, we are confident about that. I even say in my class, those who are in the course, I even say that I promise you that at least prelims though I will make you to clear. That's my promise. Why I'm saying this one? Because of my experience, the confidence that I have. Why? Because the experience that we have gained, these exams, as me myself, I have faced multiple times. This mains, prelims and all. So we know what is this exam. From the bottom, from the grassroots level, we have touched this exam. So the experience that we have, we just want to explore with them. So take time. It's an open for all. Even this coming Saturday, we are going to conduct this open test series. We are making open for everyone. So let them come. We are not charging also. So let them come and just face the test. It's free. Because everyone likes free, I think. So if if they think that it's okay, fine, then you can join. We are not forcing you. We are just making you to come. It's an open. And if you think that it's fine for me, then you're invited. We are here for you, like that, if I say. I think that's much, I think.
Thank you so much, sir. Hingi chicho himong adi hin na. Jil kung ho hi hen lang tua nang li sei da na chu koi hi jong le experience ni ho hi alopi mama jeng ka sei no min aji chu kalunga thil khat hu min. A person with much experience is much better than a person who have expertise on something.
Yes.
Thil khat na chu tip na kin nei jong le experience ni lo kan lo hi in na. Chicho himong in Dil kung ho na select dan yong so hoi le zingin mi nu mi pa in jong mi tam pi in jong hello lai ho jong hin he na a hin de ya a hin zu diu ka ta asanin hinge Lord hin na success is just at our doorstep, so why don't we just go and grab it na. Til khat tu mai mai a ki Lord hin lo hin grabs ball nga hin calls nga hin ki pa umomongin e ho society so nga hita banga team zil chapang ho gel kho na na hin nei wa hite bang coaching institute a hiwang coaching center khat a hiwang in family tabang a hi na na ki man cha da na sei dan chi lungmon umomong jingin ike holim now anom the jing hi jong na break cham cha na law hitin break zo zo la ki holim chi ban cham pai pai deu he ki pam the jingin ki holim na anom the jing hi jong le chom cha guess a ineu pu ten hi ki chol phat na piu hitin break zo zo la ki holim na chu I ban cham pai pai deu hi.
Khoi hi akon hung kisim do don thei zo se hi khoi zo thing sel akon kisim a hi khoi hi test the heart of Manipur.
break so ki chai ta in tu in ke holim na chu ban jam pai pai taw hete ke holim na chu ana ban jam pai ngal hete na tu in ka hin do nom pai ngal chu pi ham ti le nang ho tu a coaching center I fee structure tu hi het nom a min chu ting la a hin bi ho zo se a thanom ho zo het nom de hi ji chun chilang thu hi nei sei pi thei
a zo in kana sei ta en aman hlom thei chana bol thi kana tin na he che hi nen do ngal le ke pa min number ho hi mi la ka mo se nom lo hi jong le hin sei ka tin nei do hi le fee hi foundation course ho hi 12,000 ana ke la one time payment I bol ting le 11 ana ke la ji in 12,000 to 7 plus 5 na installment ana ke pi sa ji in one time payment 11 na hi in hin la tua hi pathen lung set in kum tha ang ga kai pan pan na hi le Christmas offer ana ke bol Christmas and New Year offer ana ke bol pa hi 9,000 ya chi jing na lai jin sang kwa ke bol le ai power se dang na sang ko bo hi in concept hi hoi la hi jong le mot bung hian lang chu cha lai IMPHAL hi jong le it's like anna zau kha zau si dinga chu registration fee talo in la tha be ang lu no dinga hi register bol na dinga hi zanga ke la in ai kan de form fill up man na it's a pai once register na hi a lifetime ai te adanga registration fee pi ngai talo na course MPSC ka lut tang crash course any course na lu zo si chu registration bol na talo na it's chu hin chu ke jong la MPSC foundation hin to ai sei chu to ai CSSR course ka chi crash course ma over 10 plus 2 even SSC I cho dinga hi crash course class ni bo chi na lai to ai fee hi sang thum bo ke lai I sei banga registration pa ta chom hin koi do tang ka tin na fresh student ho ding hi so ke jong le apa na in MPSC kin MPSC hi is a crash course target MPSC 2023 ki pa full course di ta bang hin crash course in ka simovin it's hi som lenga 15,000 ka si mo nin la sei banga cho offer in hope na lai tu hen na sang som bo ke bol hi tu chana hi so ke jang la test series MPS na sei pau hi sang thuma ke bol hi in zanga ka kim ke no ben sang ni la zanga na tu chana film se mod bung hi jong le in file jong la ke bang he concept no ya cho fee structure ho zo se na san chu fee thua ka sei no te
hingi bu ke pam the jingin how le vai thum lo hi na chi mi zo sia dinga chu tha khat na thang pia alung pia chi theina mi zo sia thanum zo si in iti sei dham as na hin bolo hi ji na ho jong lo thing jing in lang pathin in hin ma pui jing jing hen ti ka hin sei no ma hi in tu a chi talk so ve hi la mi no mi pa ate khang chapang khang dong tam pian ve ji hi ji in a het nom diu ka ta asanin na out of the context jela nia khala ga pam chi le hen anup na mai men ka ga do no min relationship status to ni bi ham are you single or are you taken ti ha sei nom ji we na tu lai khang do hon chi chu hin sei hon na single hi lawa le chun na sei nom ami chu na sei nom mal nang thu na sei nom lo nang ni thu ni pi le chi chu na hin sei pi thei di ham mi pi ho zo se het thei dinga ka ga ti he
kai single ke hi na la plan rồi mà cháu này bồi chỉ là ngay xây bằng hoa cho mít bia thì ngay cái xây mò vào na cho bông hoa thì ngay chỉ cái gel pa bố thì lạ pa thì đi pa sợ lệ cũng thì ngày tuần nan thì
yeah, even me, I'm still single since how to say that we are focusing on our work, but we have a plan. Even we believe that time will come. God has a plan for everything. But now at present our focus is on our the direction that we have planned, that the things that is in front of us. Let's focus first on that, and after that everything will come like that we have planned. Even to all the youngsters also, your focus should be there, what you have decided. That things automatically it will come. It is a part of our life, but first our duty is more important. The way we say duty is worship, so worship your duty and that will automatically bounce back to you with good things. That I can say.
Hindi mo thing commit to your duty na follow your duty and the rest will follow at it nang niya ko na ke mo hin na thil pon hon hi ahoi mo aphamo hi pot hoi the jing in pathin in jong he the mama interesting that cha pang ho cha te ho zo si ko ma jong ka sei nom chi ha le nang ho di gyal na chiting la i ho society khan to na ding gyal na example ai ga nei tu jil kung te ni pu te ni in an sei yong chu e ho ding chiting la e ho society khan to ma cha na ding gyal ho na je amanin tu iti sei di ham go la hin kho he hiti a hi den sa chu ting le chi sanga ama ni ding gyal sanga chu cha te naw te ho lo hlina ding a gyal kho hon je hi te hon hi e ho en jong pan hoi tin law hi tin kimma no hi tin ni khat le I lo tin pha le ama ni jong kin lo pi ta boarding in no zo hi ti ka hin sei no hi tu na ban sal pai nga lo hi tin ai le concept coaching center hi na center hon hi na aims and objectives te te de hi in chi mi pi ho he thei dinga le ga sai pi the on diam
manager hi na ta kilanen ka sai nom pai about teaching ho ha sai dang sar khop sen te na khop sa ken ka sai nom pai concept na ki peding pai number 1 zil ding tam ta na zil do ding man hlom cha na pi ti a ji chu chi ka chi pi he pha chong khat zo ting le hung ma chal vai le ko ni sai he na free ang bol pe tiu cho hello chu a ji chu pani den ta so wa ko ching chu free jong me te a ji chu thil bazar lai chi a le ai mi ho to ji la lan hi la cho plywood ka cho le e bungo thil cho na thi me ti cho ka dai ji me dai ta ha na ka e bungo thil cho na thi me ti cái này mà năng dỗ thì dỗ là thêm cái kia này bây giờ mà lom chắc là phải à phải đi cái hồ chỗ hết thêm à cái chỉ ba chỗ hết chỉ chú hay cái hồ cái bò cùi mà lom trái thì phải đi thì lấy mà ốc xì cái kim xì được vạn lâu thì hiện là giống hiện là làm hay giống lệ ai lâu lệ study material hay giống lệ ở chỗ hay giống lệ everything chú perfect thì perfect thì sạ cốt đi thì giống lệ cái thế nào cho perfect cho chú mộng của hay giống thì sạ cốt tê tê đi home cha he tinga man hi chi cho target ni hi chi dinga ke dei ja hi to study room jong ke nei library itiu ben study hall khat ke nei hi che hi mi sanga chu man hlom te ding ti na ke bol hi pui ke bol hi pi ja man ke hlom sa ja man fee structure ro chu advertisement ho mun naw he pi ja ke bol ha me ti le pi zo lo ji cho pi kham ti na he chẳng hạn trẻ như đó làm gì thế rồi đó thì giờ cho bị khăm bị dâu tệ thì MP tôi MPSC course ở trong chấp bằng khởi lên thì không cho cái xung quanh này thôi bị không cái bị đâu rồi thì giờ cho line cái xem PM để KSO okrula khảo và nên vợ khảo vài nữa na KSO okrul tôi hiện nay cái zaman ở bên lăng hoài ta partnership cái này hiện KSO okrul nên solve vài lệ vật thấy cho nó vật điều là lại hiện làm cái gì cái mua vật lâu hết thì KSO okrul nên mua bộ thìท่านเองนะถึงสิ่งที่กี่หัวถ้าเขียนอะไรกี่ปีเหี้ยจูหัวอินหมาย family condition ที่จะเหี้ยที่จูหมอนตาสันนั่นนี่ตากี่ปีเหี้ยจูหมอนน่ะใส่โจเกกี่ปีนี่จะเล่าว่าจงจุดแต่เรื่องงานห้องนู้นมาจงเล่กี่หัวเที่ยหัวป่วยนั่นช่างตาตาเนี่ยไอ้เราเลยก็เรียกเขาซิมกระทานโน้มมาจริงคลาสละนั่นที่ซุ่มกันเนี่ยป่วยเรียนจงก็ละจงป่วยที่จงเลยคลาสลำปังจะกี่หัวจะเรียนก็หมดปุ่นเลยเหี้ยจูน่ะคลาสลำปังจงหัวเป็นกี่หัวโตเที่ยก็ที่จะกินtu chana jong mi za na free ang ke jaw sa jong mi abang chu apate missionary a hi episode kan pi de ma ta taw nan ni man pi ve ke na adam ke hot ka ngai sa pu ve ha pan hon na fila pan hon ke hon chana na cha na sim pi ve nge ke ta ke ho zo bum cho abang chu ni sung gan the ha sa ja 20% bu ka pi zo di nom te ti okay na zo khong khom sim pi ta ye bia jong abang chu cái tài xế mà na cho biết dấu xí hộ mày bồi còn đi sát đập bồi cái chị anh nhau là ở cái ngày đâm tiếng là anh giàu nôm thì cái bạn giàu nôm hiện tăng cái gì là mình tiền lệ tao mong hiện khô cho năng dùng hàng tuần nôm thì na thì giờ cái hẹn là ngày mấy chuyện ngân hiện tại vẫn là cái xế nôm là bao nhiêu sẽ đi hồ thì ngày cái xế rồi cái dòng là cái số general headquarter cái bồi IMPHAL cái bồi okrula dòng anh đi okrula hi số pi ula nào gen theo mày là nuôi là ba tiền hoạt sống cái số làm cao khác bên là contact mình lắm na cái giá tổ thế hi thì cho about ya administration tam phát chỉ là này teaching lang ho cho sir ko na ama na say teaching say that
Yeah, regarding this why to choose concept coaching, let me be very clear about this how to say that first our dedication is fully with the students. I can give some example also, like especially like our director Sir Thanglin sir, he is moving to Modbu for the class. Sometimes I used to say that, sir, I think it's okay, you can just replace and make someone to move there. But still he said that I have to take class. The students are, they need me. So that shows the interest of our, starting from our director, the interest comes out. And automatically it affects all the faculty also. Like for example, me myself, now I leave my class for this Impact TV, but someone replaced for my class. It shows that we don't want to keep the class in vacant. If one class is space is there, automatically the interest everything is based on interest. The work is based on interest. The students are coming to class because of the interest. So we are trying our level best not to break the interest with the faculty and the students. And we are providing major things, if I say. Simply we are not giving the things. If I talk about the material also, handout also, we are selecting the things and we are giving those things. Even we said that don't share to other people. We are giving that warning. Why? The reason behind is that we are giving our labor. I am giving my time. We are giving lots of hard work there. We have sleepless night also. Even me, I have to frame the test series. I have to frame the result also. So we are interested. So we want interest from our student also. The concept is based on that. This concept coaching is, when I came in concept coaching, I see that one. So why not? Why not people come and see that things, learn that things, the process, because the process is more important than the achievement. Achievement will come, but if your process is not in the right way, achievement will take time or may not become also. So your process is more important. So concept coaching is making that process, how to deal that things, how to learn that things, whether it's the test, whether it is in the subject matter also. Our faculties, they are providing every single tips, every, how to say that, between the lines, if I say. We are not missing that one. And if I say one quotation, I used to say in the class also, let me say that one. Here in this competition, in this current generation, if I say, the more important is that to know something from everything, not everything from something. If they catch the point, I'm saying that knowing something from everything, because if you know, if you touch every field, then you can handle the things. If you know only in that particular field, you are known for that particular field, then go to PhD. Na? You can do that PhD. But competitive exam is totally different. So we focus that one. Concept coaching is trying that one to build that students in all the zones. MPSC talks about that. MPSC is main for that because everything is there. You can't miss anything. Current affair is there, maths is there, GK is there, GS is there. So concept coaching is building that one. How to say that even though if they are missing also, we are trying our level best to provide, whether in the form of class, whether in the form of counseling, or whether in the form of test series. So let the students come and know that things, so that they feel free and they will make themselves that yes, we have that caliber. Because students, some of the students, they have that caliber. Even in my class, I saw some of the, for example, let's say SSC students. I have found that this guy can give MCS exam. I personally talked to him. Like for example, one student like Pao. Pao, come here, like, I want to have a talk to you. I said, what sir? Then you can apply MCS. Sir, what MCS? So that is the thing, because he have that caliber. He have that zone of era, means like the things he can grasp. So when we found that student, we build them. And we make them that yes, you can face this exam, and they feel happy. That is the things that we are building there. Not only just teaching, the way I have said earlier also. Teaching is not only the purpose that we have. Even me myself, I used to think like that. Because we have faced these things most of the times. So I don't want to commit that mistakes. Main thing is that we are trying our level best. The students should not commit those mistakes that we have committed. We know what are the things to do and not to do. And we are very crisp. Even in my class, if one topic is there, I will not go with all the histories and all like that. I will just with the points and the crisp points that these things will come in the exam. That is enough for you. And that makes them comfortable. So concept coaching is known for giving the comfortable, the satisfaction zone to the students, and we believe that it will make them feel free to face the examination also. If I say any examination, because NPSC or civil service is the mother of all examination. That's much.
And I would like to say, coaching, Concept Coaching Center is not just a coaching center; it is a home.
Yes, that's absolutely.
Atai na ding khat ka hindo no min achievements na nei. Khatam chi chu mi pi ho zo se he thei ding in se tin chi chu atai ni sa.
Concept ma concept ma hi tu chana hi cái hồ mô mong in cái sim độ thì em lại trong hoạt động giáo và cùng ngã cùng cũng này khi cùng ngã pa success ho chu ka sei nom po in na nge chang za par ke hong pat ka law in na hi jong le chlai pa na foundation ma pa na hung zau foundation na pa na ta hung ki pi la tu za na lo len na nei hi mi nga ta pangom ne hoi ta foundation na pa na SCIO au min bank PO mi thum ta bangom min CSS la kha no min ZDA o min na adang nga min pa lo adang mo chu sei banga chu ka min pa le coaching center zaw na ma sa no mo om jin na ta chu dang hoi ka sei no pa kyo apula pa na foundation na pa na hong ke maths foundation na hong ke pa no ba na general foundation hong za crash course hong zaw ho na i cho mi nga ta bangom
oi mama jin just within 2 years a hi na ka sei hi lo wa hi le lo hlin an len ta na nei win chi chu aki pat na hi hi aki pat pathin chu na chung wa lung thlai phon phona thil pha na bol na hi ngalovin bol jing leo chen chi chu aki pat na hi in hung chal len ten mi tampi pha chom na hung hi te wen ti ke ma ka hin sei no ma hi in e ke holim naus anom hle jingin jong le Chipinthei Talkshow guest a hung ho hi memento neu cha sponsor ki bol ji in na chi chu sim do ni ning ka ting aban le ka hin pi hon di he Chipinthei Kuki Talkshow guest ho adi in presented by Pu Khailun KHONGSAI producer Impact TV Kuki channel. Memento sponsored by Lieutenant Colonel L. Paulin Thang KHONGSAI and family, Geveng no Manipuri, IMPHAL, Manipur. Paulin Thang Zing Kipatu sang ta ka hin say na ji chu July guest hong ho adinga hi nang ma in jong nang ma la na family in jong hoi ta gyang kho na hin ne ya hong ki wa hi lo le empty handed na achi du na dei lo je nang ma in jong ngai lu na za la hi ta bang thil pha na hin bon je nang la na family jing ki pa tu sang ta ka hin phongin tu ting la hin tui te ching in jong ki pa tu ka hin sei no ma ji chu hi ta bang hin tui e ho among sponsor ni hin bola ki holim na sunga dang no na dinga nang ma ji ta na hin la ji in na jing ki pa tu ka hin sei na bol na to na hon cha pa the na ma pui jing hon ta hen ti ka hin sei no ma hi in tu in nang ni jong ki pa tu nin sei the hon hi
ki pa mi ama sa penin Pu Khailun a hin to khom pi ho Impact TV a mo pu na som cha nei ho zo se chunga ka ki pa le jeng tu ni khwa kai ka hin sala khup na hin concept coaching center me na ki holim khom danga nei ko he ke ne le ka kyal pha lo na ta tu ni ka na to sar kho jong class anai jan la pa na ki hoi ka ki building tha ki lut ka hi na to ai pending hom jeng na dai kan da la na ke ni jong ka ki pa ma ni ai ki su ong de chi de lo the lo he ta kong thei do jeng hon ni ye ja chu ka ki pa na ka ki pa wa han ja chu ye cho ka hin men pa hin ten ye je chung chu na de ho zo se jong ka ki pa Impact TV kan jong ka ve jing khat na hi thil pa chom ta ka mu do in he che hin tu ni ai ma ta jing on che la ya ke ho lim khom thei dinga to lai amun ta ka to je jong ka ke pa le je nge che ke jong le he che concept coaching center hi koi ma da nga hi point ai ho a hi he che ja che hi is always say is always so so bon te kan ta gel do he ten he che ke thu khom ma te ti jong he ve la ka sei no hi in che ke jong le tu ni ni kho a Chilaya to na adang no na dinga chi hin tui chunga jong he hin tui te na amo hi ke pa thu ka hin sejin chi ki jong le chi hi na hon jong na la theu le part na ne ve ti chu ka hin se hin tin ka ke pa na sang ta hin tui te chunga ka hin pongi chu ke jong le Pu Paulin Thang jong ke pa thu ka hin sei ki ne chu na pan hala na ho hi ke ho ding hai vat tan phei ta hi in nung zui dinga lom ta hi ji in Pu Paulin Thang KHONGSAI ama chunga jong hin ke pa na sang ta ka hin phong ki ne a chai na pen na ding in dunya ke ho lum kho ma na nga ngai ke ma hi in to khom pi ho ta Pu Paulun ho hi no zo si chunga ke ho lima no min hospitality hoin nom ka sa ke jeng en je chen Impact TV ko ki chen ri khang to jing han lang pathin em phatte pu han lang dam thei jing ben ti hi kai ma na chai na a ka hin se he
pau me hinge ki pau mong jing in anom hle jing ke ma jong nom ka sa in na nang ni jana phat man ta hin da tha hon jin a vel ki pa thu sang ta ka hin se ki nin hi chan chun ki holim naw cha nanga inanga de hi ta in ki pa mong ti cha chai na pe na ka hin se he tu ni ki holim naw cha nom hle jing in so pi ula naw loi le pa ho zo se mun tina a hin ve ho zo si ching jang ki pa thu ka hin se in chiting le concept coaching center jong hi zonutin sei pi thei so pi ula na nei wa yong le sei pi utin zone tin chiting le anei te ho ta jong ki holim na nei wa hi jin across ball thei ball tin ke phalam lo helin ei ho a mong ei ho a tin gelutin zone tin so pi ula naw khatlani be pha chomna aneya chiting la ei ho society sung khan to na ding a hi kha le tin pan hoi tin la law hitin I thei pan theina chi apan nu te ti chu ka hin se hi in mi hem hin a ki holim na sunga se hil se wa se thingal kha le ki ngai da mutin ama wa I se do ho zo se ei ho adeng pha chom ho I se do ho zo se pathini e bon cha wa ding pha thei bo pi ta han chi ka hin se hi in a hin ve ho zo se na bon cha win mang pha